Yesterday, an FDA advisory panel rejected a new prescription weight loss drug developed in San Diego. KPBS Science and Technology reporter Peggy Pico joins me with more on why the stakes are so high for FDA approval of this drug. So, Peggy, what's the drug? What's it about? Explain.
The drug is called lorcaserin. It was an experimental weight loss drug made by Arena. That's a local company here in San Diego. And the stakes were high for a lot of reasons. But first, the drug itself was sort of like a fen-phen drug made to suppress the appetite for weight loss.
So why did the FDA panel reject it at this point?
The simple answer to that is they said that the risk did not outweigh the benefits of the drugs. That said, early studies in animals showed that taking this drug caused cancerous tumors in several parts of the body in these lab animals, which wasn't originally disclosed to the FDA panel. Later on, they found that the drug, people taking the drug in a controlled group, barely met effectiveness levels for the FDA. So they lost, I think in control groups, the company said they studied 7,000 people. Those 7,000 people lost about 6 pounds in a year compared to the control group, which lost about 3 pounds per year. That barely makes the margin. Sure. So that's one thing. There was also memory loss and depression, increased depression found in those patients who were taking the experimental drug.
How has Arena Pharmaceuticals responded to this? They must have had a pretty big investment in developing this drug.
They did. Even before the news came down, as far as the actual decision, their stocks dropped 40%. That was on Tuesday before the decision was even made. They sent out a response saying that, quote, actually, that they said that we do have a great benefit to risk ratio, and this is a potentially fantastic drug for treating obesity, which has become a huge problem in this country.
What about the biotech industry in San Diego? Has there been any kind of reaction from them to this?
Well, the biotech community here, of course, which is huge, has been watching this very, very closely. And Joe Panetta, who's the president of Biocom here in San Diego, said that had the drug been approved, that would have meant more jobs to the San Diego economy. Also, but on the investor side, the drug companies that are here and drug investors are looking at companies and their success record and their track record.
All right, there's been a lot of criticism heaped on the FDA in recent years for not monitoring food and drug supplies enough. Has the agency become more conservative as a result of all this?
In some ways, yes. They're very skittish, especially when it comes to diet drugs, ever since fen-phen was removed from the market. It's been 10 years, Gloria, since any diet drug has been successfully approved by the FDA, so they are very skittish.
Thank you very much, Peggy Pico.
Thank you.